The major function of all the chakra is to keep our body energized and healthy. If they are cleaned regularly, then it will keep us healthy and energetic. In the same way as we brush our teeth twice a day, so you must clean your all chakras twice a day. The process of cleaning of the chakra is through inhalation and exhalation. Inhale and exhale turn by turn, starting from root chakra up to Sahasrara chakra, crown chakra, up to 3 to 5 times. Inhale and exhale up to 3 to 5 times in each chakra. If you do this practice daily, twice a day, then the results are far better. It will keep you healthy and energetic. All the organs of your body will be healthy. They will be free from disease if you practice it daily. But if they are blocked, if they are not cleaned, then the problems started in those portions of the body. Suppose root chakra is not clean, then the problem of knees or regarding legs started. Or if navel chakra is not clean, then the problems related to stomach. And if the heart chakra is not clean, it is blocked, then the disease or problems related to heart, lungs, and the area where this chakra is located, the chakra which is blocked, the disease or problem comes into those areas. So it is very essential to clean the chakras